in the sky, watching people with his eye, looking down on you from his endless bird's eye view. He flies over your mind, and you know he's not blind. He just knows what you think, what you feel. He's aware you're in love. Do you see him high above? He just knows what's on your mind. He just knows. You know what you should do if there's anything that's wrong with you. Ask him down for advice. Give your message, but be wise. He'll then glide straight to your heart. You'll forget to be apart, and he'll wake to be with you, stay with you. He's aware you're in love. Do you see him high above? He just knows what's on your mind. He just knows.